Happy Saturday. So I got up today and decided I was going to straighten up. You see my tables. My grandbaby loves these tables. He walks all around them and leaves all his cute little fingerprints for Nana to clean. So I'm just going to wipe this down with some Dove soapy water. And then I'm going to move everything out the way because I need to get this rug clean. A lot of my accessories come from Ross, including this rug. I love this rug. But as I started vacuuming, I realized I did not like the way the vacuum was doing the lines. It was kind of like pulling the plushness of the rug. So I definitely stopped doing that and went ahead and swept it like I normally do. I usually shake it or sweep it, so I don't know why I decided to pull out the vacuum. I guess because the floor also needed a vacuum, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, after that fiasco, I decided to go ahead in with my spray away cleaner. And can I tell y'all something? Someone mentioned that they didn't really like this product. And I always like the product, but one thing I have noticed is that with these tables that I have now, for some reason, it always leaves a film. And because I'm straightening up today and not cleaning up, I don't want to be here getting streaky clean tables if it takes me 2 hours. The whole point of straightening up is to quickly get the house together, right? It's not to like an involved deep cleaning. Like if I was deep cleaning, I would have to do my chandelier, take all the collectibles off, clean and dust everything. I'm not doing that. It's just a straightening. I did order these moss balls off of Amazon because no one had them in stock in the stores, and they were really affordable. I think maybe $15. And then the other day I decided to take some ginger jars I got from Ross. By the way, if you're not going to Ross for accessories, you're missing out because they're very affordable. They always have something unique. They don't get a lot of items, like a large quantity of the item. So it's safe to say you're not going to see what you have in everyone's house. So run to Ross. So I'm taking some concrete spackle and I'm going to texturize this vase. I ended up doing bubble wrap. You can do whatever type of treatment or texture you like. And then I painted it, and I love this vase because I can tell you right now you'll see this vase, something similar on Anthropologie or West Elm or CB2 for $200 and up. And for I didn't buy anything because I had all of these materials on hand. And I always encourage you when you do your trash to treasures and DIYs, look and see what you have first. So we're saying bye-bye to our coquettish Valentine's Day arrangement. It's time for y'all to go. And I got these stems from Michaels. Now, these were about $5 a piece, but because I'm in the rewards program and I shop there fairly often, I actually had a coupon for $10. So I paid maybe $4 for all of these stems. So that was a great deal. Sign up for Michaels Rewards. And then I decided to freehand a floral arrangement that screamed spring to me. I'm using like that lime green color. I love that color. That might be my anchor color. I tend not to go with trends. I kind of just do what I like to do. Because at the end of the day, you have to live in this space. You have to love it. So you have to do what makes you happy when you walk into the room. You know what I mean? So anyway, if you're not that good at floral designing, just look at what other people are doing, like all the florists, designers, and then you can get an idea of what you like and how to mimic it. And once you start doing it, it gets a little easier to understand like the composition and the flow. And I don't always get it right, but I do enough for my liking. And my daughter picked these up at Walmart for me. These are the lime green hydrangeas. And the other flower starts with an A. I never remember how to say it, but it's so cute and droopy. I really like it. And I love how this arrangement came all together. After I did all of that, I decided to make more of a mess by adding the moss balls to the table. What was I thinking? I think I'm just tired. And so after I added that, I just, continued to build the table with what I had. I ordered this gold stripping from Amazon, but didn't order enough. Can someone tell me to start measuring? Because now I couldn't do that project this weekend. That would have been so nice. So this is how the room looks finally after I've straightened up everything. I open the window, let the little curtain blow or the blinds blow. But I'm in love with this space. I like how it's coming together. And remember, at the end of the day, that is what is most important, that you like your space, right? Not what the designers tell you, not what the decorators tell you, not what social media tell you. And I know I see my candlestick leaning, but I just don't feel like doing anything about that today. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great one.